This is a Pietenpol Air Camper. I've had people say, you would fly something you built? And I said, well, I actually feel better flying something that I built maybe than something somebody else built, because I knew what went into it and how it was done.
So what do you say when people ask you how long it took you to build?
I tell them it was 11 years, 4 moves, and 2 wives.
Okay.
I really love the way it flies. It's a real honest airplane. I love the historical aspect of it. It dates from 1929. And I like the social aspect. There are a lot of peat builders out there, and it's sort of a fraternity. I've flown it to Oshkosh 3 times. It's not a real fast cross-country airplane, but it'll get you there. And between the little baggage compartment and putting a duffel bag in the front seat and strapping it in, I can carry all I need to spend a week at Oshkosh. And I like going out and just flying. I like to be able to get off of work, come down here, pull the airplane out, and fly for 30 minutes. That's my decompression after work.